Alright, we're going to clean a mattress real quick. And I think we've decided these are probably ink stains that are in this mattress here. So it's probably a 20-year-old mattress. So it's got some ink stains in it. But it's not too bad. Besides that, I bet it hasn't been cleaned in over 10-15 years anyway. It's secondhand. And what we're going to use for this, Rug Doctor with the upholstery tool, we've got a little sprayer. Where's the head for that? This is just a little sprayer. You could buy these things at hardware stores and everything. And he put 2 scoops of OxyClean in there with hot water. That's all he's going to use.
Just 2 scoops. It'll clean with about half a gallon of water or whatever. It'll do a good job.
And he's going to fill it up with hot water. We already vacuumed. We vacuumed the mattress with a hand tool off of a Dyson. So we vacuumed it a little bit. We're not too concerned about that because, of course, we've covered up to make sure there's no overspray anywhere. But he's going to come in here and he's going to pre-spray the mattress. So we're going to let it sit on the mattress for 5-10 minutes, and then we're going to start the machine up. And we're going to try to clean the mattress a little bit cleaner than it is. So anyway, that's what we're doing right now. So stay tuned.
Alright, we're going to clean this mattress. What we did is we're using OxyClean, just the standard OxyClean you buy off the shelf at any grocery store. We mixed two little scoops of it to about a half a gallon of water. I pre-sprayed the mattress. It's set for 8 or 10 minutes, so we're going to go ahead and clean it with a Rug Doctor Upholstery Tool. Oh, and it's got ink and stuff in it that'll never come out. We're just cleaning it, but it's never going to be brand new looking. Okay, it's clean. There's always going to be some permanent stains. This mattress is old, and it's real old, and it's been used pretty hard. So there's stuff like this. I don't know what it is, but it won't come out. And I've brushed it real hard and stuff. There's ink over here. There's some more dirt that's in there. We got some stuff out, and some stuff left behind, but it is clean, and it'll dry up and be fine. It'll be clean again where someone can use it.
Yeah, when you got old mattresses and old furniture and stuff like that, a lot of times you can't really fix the appearance 100%, but just knowing that it's cleaner, if you're going to have to sitting on it or laying on it, that's something nice to achieve at least. So
yeah, it's clean so that you can go to bed on it. Know that it's got a lot of the old dirt and grime up from it, body oils and whatever else is on there.
So we're not gonna dump the water out yet because we're gonna go clean an area rug and stuff real quick with it. So that's basically it for this video, though. I hope you enjoyed watching it. It's kind of hard to get good lighting for this stuff and everything, but I hope it was you could see what we were doing anyway. But hope you enjoyed that, and thanks for watching.